Hi, this is Luke from Box Plus. Today we have a 2020 Holden Colorado, stock number 6177. This ran from the 7th 2016 to the 12th 2020. It has an LWN 2.8 litre 4-cylinder diesel turbo engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the LWN 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Left rear taillight. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear taillight. Right rear 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Litre AC controls. Factory touchscreen stereo. Interior mirror. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.